Are you ready to go back to school? Let's find out together with another Wellness 101 Junior.
Presented by St. Luke's Pediatrics.
Hey kids, Mr. Wellness here, and school is right around the corner. Hey, Wellbee! Where are you headed, my brother? You're headed to the pool? Well, that sounds like fun, pal. Quick question. Did you do your summer reading or math facts yet today? No? Wellbee, back to school time is here. And now is the time to get prepared so we can shake off some of that summer fog. Come on, kids. Let's help Wellbee here get ready for school with these simple steps. Step 1. Bedtime routine. Summertime is all about staying up late and waking up late. But back to school time requires a stricter sleep schedule to keep you at your best. Following a bedtime routine will ensure that you won't be tired or have difficulty paying attention in class. You should start your new bedtime routine 1 to 2 weeks before school starts. This will help reset your circadian clock, your brain's internal clock that tells you when it's time to sleep and when it's time to wake up. Pick a specific time for going to sleep and waking up, and stick to it. And be sure to limit your screen time approximately 1 hour before bed, as screens can delay your routine or make it difficult for you to fall asleep. Step 2. Talk it out. If you're feeling a little nervous about heading back to school, I'm here to tell you this is a completely natural feeling. Find a grown-up that you trust and talk to them about how you're feeling. It's always better to get whatever's bothering you off your chest. Your grown-up can help you come up with a battle plan for how to handle some of your fears and anxieties about school. They may even be able to share some stories of their own first-day jitters. And remember, when all else fails, don't forget to breathe. Sometimes the simplest way to calm your nerves is to take a few deep breaths to feel more like yourself again. Step 3. Reader leader. If you've been skimping on your reading this summer, now's the time to get back to it, kids. You should be reading at least 15 to 30 minutes or more a day. Regular reading not only helps your vocabulary, but it also helps you perform better in school. Now, I know some of you just aren't into reading, and that makes it hard. Trust me, kids, I never liked to read when I was your age either. But it's truly one of the most important skills you'll ever learn. The key is to find books on topics that you like to make reading more enjoyable for you. Just like exercise is crucially important for our bodies, reading is just as important for our minds. Lastly, don't forget to review your math facts as well. Math is just as important as reading, and practicing simple math facts like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division will only help you as you get into harder facts throughout the school year. Okay, gang, question time. How do you get ready to go back to school? Is it A, stay up as late as you want? B, spend more time on your screens instead of reading? C, go to the beach and catch one more wave? Or D, bring back your bedtime routine, talk to a trusted grown-up if you're nervous, and read and review your math facts daily. Did you answer D? Looks like somebody's gonna be ready for school. Nice work. Kiddos, nobody wants summer to end. But like it or not, back to school time is here, so you might as well prepare for it. Nobody's saying that you can't still have fun, but a slight change in your schedule and a little bit of practice will go a long way in the classroom and beyond. Hey, Wellbee, how's that summer reading going, buddy? I'm proud of you, pal. Way to be proactive and prepared. Remember, kids, if you fail to prepare, then prepare to fail. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Wellness 101 Junior. Until next time, this is Mr. Wellness and Wellbee saying be well and
have a great school year, everybody.
You said it, pal. Now come on, let's go for that swim.